Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with FHA Connection for borrower verification steps, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with FHA Connection, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official FHA Connection website. Once the page loads, locate the login section. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Type your password into the password field. Click on the login button to proceed. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the respective link to retrieve them. Follow the prompts to reset your credentials if necessary. Once logged in, you will be directed to the FHA Connection homepage. Look for the user menu on this page. Select Borrower Verification from the available options. You will now see the borrower verification screen. Enter the required borrower details such as social security number and date of birth. Review the information for accuracy. Once verified, click the Submit button to proceed. Wait for the system to process your request. After processing, the system will display the verification results. Review the results carefully. If additional information is needed, follow the prompts to provide it. Once all required information is submitted, you will receive confirmation of the verification. To log out, return to the home page and select the logout option. This ensures your session is securely ended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.